Hey guys, so my current coffee table is hanging on by a thread. It's totally wobbly and honestly not a sound piece of furniture. So now that I know what I know, I will be making a new coffee table. The first thing I have to do is cut all of my wood pieces for the base of the coffee table. This will have a 47-inch top, so I will need to cut 4 47-inch long pieces, 2 43-inch pieces, depending on the actual width of my 1x4. Then I will cut my 16-inch feet, resulting in an 18-inch height. I'll need to sand all my pieces so it's all smooth and free of splinters before assembling the table. Then I'll be drilling 2 pocket holes on each end into my 43-inch long wood planks and doing the same for my 16-inch long feet for the table. While I'm drilling this, I do want to say that laying out all of my pieces beforehand was so helpful in ensuring I keep myself organized. There have been times where I make the wrong cut or freak out thinking I didn't cut the right thing, only to find out that I did it in the beginning the right way. So don't be like me, lay it all out. Next, I'm going to connect my square frame by gluing my ends, then using a power drill to connect my screws. As you screw these in, you have to make sure your pieces are securely in place, or else the joint will not be as sturdy. After connecting the square frame, I will add my feet on, again using the glue, then screwing it in place. Now I just have to add my bottom stretcher to the structure. The side stretchers are really more for design purposes, but they're really cool, so I added them in. You'll need to measure the distance between the legs and cut a 1x2 to length. Drill pilot holes once you've centered them and then screw it in. Onto the top of the table, we'll want to end up with 9 1x6 wood planks, measuring 49 inches in length each. Glue and clamp them together for the instructed amount of time. Use the base of the table to trace the square onto the tabletop. Then you'll cut off all that excess. This is where it gets easy. We work to precondition the wood for stain using Minwax conditioner. Added a black stain to the base. Finally, we stain the top honey walnut from Minwax. It's either honey walnut or American walnut. I will definitely put that in the description which one it is, because I get confused because I switch brands all the time. Once everything is dry, place your top on your base to ensure everything looks good before you attach it. If you need to sand a few things or paint over any spots you missed, now would be the time to do it. We just have to connect the top to the base now. Since I have 2 pieces for my top, because I didn't have a long enough clamp, I'm going to drill pilot holes in and then screw in my stretcher onto the top. Once I do that, I will put in some screws and pilot holes for my frame and connect that to the top. So that's it. We've completed our coffee table and it is ready to go into your home. I have loved this coffee table since I made it and I loved making it, so it's been just a dream and way better than my first project ever. So here it is in my living room. And I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to subscribe to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks, guys.